Welcome all back again. In last video I have interacted with you and I have told you, I have explained you how to register for this digital marketing program or the event, in which it is divided into two parts. First day will be webinar, in which we are going to talk about the basic and fundamental of digital marketing, and second day will be your video presentation. Last video, if you just go through it, I have explained you how to go and register. So you have to click the link which I have explained you. You will directly go to the registration form. Once you are done with the registration, now the queries remain of most of the participants, how to participate in the video competition. So let me come to that. What is IMC? First of all, what is expected in the competition from the participant is that they have to create a integrated marketing campaign. Now this campaign can be related to anything. This can be related to a particular brand, it can be related to a particular product, it can be related to service also. So let us talk about the definition of what is integrated marketing campaign or communication is the common terminology that is used by the marketer. Integrated marketing communication is a simple concept. It ensures that all form of communication and messages are carefully linked together. All form of communication. What is this communication? Communication is how you are going to interact with your end user, customer, consumer. At its most basic level, integrated marketing communication, or IMC as we all call it, means integrating all the promotional tools. You have to integrate your advertising, you have to integrate your direct marketing, you have to integrate your promotional schemes which will play a major role in planning this particular campaign. Now let us go into the basic of integrated marketing communication. I'll just explain you so that accordingly you prepare the manuscript of at least 2 to 3 pages, right? And after that you prepare a video of marketing that your particular brand or your particular product or service. See, it can be anything like somebody from IT background want to participate, because yesterday I was talking with one of my students. His name is Sagar Soni. He himself is a person who makes plenty of wonderful videos. So he said like his friend from IT background want to participate and now they are not aware of how to participate. I said anybody from any background can participate, because their friend are developer of various apps. They have developed various apps. So I said why can't they market their app? Because see, technically they are sound, but unless and until they market their app in the market, how are they going to get customers, or how will they come to know, how will the people come to know what sort of app they have made, right? So let us go to the integrated marketing communication again. So why is it important, integrated marketing communication? See, here are the five components which I was talking about. The communication will be through advertising, through sales promotion, through public relation, direct marketing, and social media. All these 5 aspects you have to use, integrate these things together, so that you are reachable to the target audience. The target audience is very important. See, marketing, when are you going to get good ROI, return on investment? And if you are able to reach out to the proper audience, otherwise most of your advertising expenditure will go waste. So all what you have to do is just search for this integrated marketing, benefits of integrated marketing communication. Now here are the few of the benefits. It is cost effective, improves brand image, improves results. So just search it out and you will get the answer of what exactly we as a organizer are expecting from the participant to do. A manuscript, 1 page, 2 page, 3 page will also do, because you have to mention what exactly, because see, in the video you cannot narrate all the thing. So something you have to put on the paper. Prepare a video of maximum of 20 minutes time and submit it on the WhatsApp number and the email address which is given in our form, in the form which I will just show you. It is given at the last. and please do make sure that you join the Telegram group. See this, if I open the link, right? So here you will find where are you supposed to submit the your video. See, this is the email address, and this is the WhatsApp number. Here you are supposed to submit it. And please do subscribe to Research Mentor group of Telegram, and as well you subscribe to the YouTube channel, because your video will be uploaded here, and from here you will get 40% of weightage in your evaluation or assessment. Thank you so much, and all the best for this webinar and competition. And you again can promote this particular event to you within your friends, colleagues, right? Institute, college. Thank you all. Thank you so much for watching.